treatment and prevention of steatosis, that is fatty liver disease, as it is caused by two main factors, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. If 80% or more than 80% cases are due to the excessive use of the alcohol. So you have to reduce or quit the over drinking of the alcohol. It is to be noted that liver is the only organ which metabolizes alcohol and fructose. So excess use that produces burden in the liver and which result in accumulation of the excessive triglyceride that produces damage to the hepatocytes. Quit smoking. Reduce the beverages containing or the foods that contain fructose and lactose. In addition, when it is due to the non-alcoholic factors, that is the main factor is obesity. Reduce the weight of the patient to maintain the healthy weight by the reduction and the food adjustment in routine life. Use the Mediterranean food diet that which consists of veggies and the fresh fruits, which contain the minerals and the vitamins necessary for normal and healthy state of the life. Excessive use of water, purified water, and the aerobic exercise daily for 20 to 30 minutes in the form of swift walking, cycling, swimming, dancing. In any form, you have to play games to maintain the and boost of the resistance of the body. It is necessary for all the organs, whether it is respiratory organs, whether it is a cardiovascular system. So, exercise is a compulsory one for the maintenance of the health. In addition, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids from the fatty fish, these are the main factors which should be added in the diet. In addition, you should avoid saturated fat. Cholesterol free diet must be adopted to reduce this disease. In addition, you have to also utilize the food stuff which is rich in choline, because choline is necessary for the function of the hepatocytes. Choline is present in beef, liver, egg yolk, milk, sugar, chicken breast. These are the various foodstuffs which can be used to increase the quantity of the choline. In addition, you can use green tea and coffee because these are also having antioxidant properties. So when the medical treatment or the preventive measures fail and there is progression of the disease, then you adopt the diagnostic feature, that is the biopsy, syringing of the liver to take tissue from the diseased liver and to study the tissue of the liver under microscope to calculate the degree of the fibrosis or in cirrhosis stage. But the ultrasound, special ultrasound device is fibro ultrasound scan. High power sound waves are utilized to visualize the and calculate the degree and the types of the fatty liver disease. When the treatment is not by the medical and preventive measure, then only the final stage, that is the cirrhosis of the liver, that may lead to the cancer of the liver, and there is only option, that is the liver transplantation, which is a very complicated and costly procedure. in some countries.